Hey there everyone, this is Matt for Creative again. We're going to do a really quick video shooting in 4K at 24 frames per second. I live here in a city, so there's going to be some ambient light, but there's going to be a lot of dark spots. I usually film in 60 frames per second, sometimes in 30, but I do 60 so I can slow it down, have some slow motion shots in some of my videos. But I realized, and of course this makes sense, if you're shooting 24 frames per second, you can get much better low light. So we're going to see how this looks. Of course, you'll see street lights and everything all around me. There's cars going by, but this is basically a very dark environment. It's kind of like walking through the suburbs. So right now, I'm watching myself on the screen here. I am showing up pretty dark, but that can be expected. But you can see everything around me. Like, this is detailed. This is not just like a black splotch with like some random stuff around me. This is actually usable footage. And I still think it's usable because the mic on here, it's amazing. It's one of my favorite things. And if you haven't seen the other DJI OSMO Pocket videos that I've done, I love this little action cam. Well, it's not an action cam. I called it the perfect vlogging device, and I have since made it better and better. Right now, I'm actually using this on top of a handle that is a battery pack. And it also has a little threaded, what do you call the thing that you put the tripod in? So you can actually put this right on a tripod, either like maybe a little GorillaPod, or you can put this on a full-fledged tripod and use face tracking, and that's really all you need. This has become one of my most favorite devices to use, and I can't imagine anything else, because by itself, if I'm just using the camera, just holding this as it is, it's perfect. But just adding this, adding the wide angle lens, which I sometimes use, I can't imagine anything better than this device. So what do you think? I'm walking by light, it's nighttime, but can you see me? Does this seem clear? Is this usable footage? Because I know there's a lot of vloggers out there, there's a lot of people who use things at daytime, and for me it was 60 frames per second, but hey, at night, I'm going to go and shoot at 24 frames per second because I don't need a light, like a really specific like light pointing back at me. I'm fine with this kind of dark image that we see here. So again, let me know what you think. This has been Matt for Creative, and we've been testing out the DJI OSMO Pocket in 4K at 24 frames per second. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.